That's delicious.
Oh gosh, no.
Does that not taste
no,
good or something?
Look.
What?
Shake it. Shake
Oh,
it.
God.
Shake it. Like really hard. Go really hard.
It is working.
Clickbait. My puppy ate poison.
No, we have to have like a face that's like has their mouth open. Yeah, like that. Yeah, exactly like that.
Clickbait, 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 clickbait. Look at the camera.
No, you need to have a worried face though. Thank you.
Chocolate burn.
Just microwave it.
When you're in college with low budget on lighting. Your fridge is out of power. Done.
That's a lot.
Yeah. We're gonna make that many s'mores.
We might as well call some other people over. Oh, so we're gonna burn some more? You know, I'm just making fun of you right now.
Oh my gosh.
What is going on? What are you talking?
He's hurting me.
Thanks for the footage.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Alright, so we're gonna be asking random people questions today. Yay. No. Who is that? Okay. What? No. Nope. Oh, you there?
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Then I'm there.
Alright.
My face. No. My family. Putting up with my crap.
That's awesome. Alright, thank you. Bye. That was really quick. Well, I mean, it took time out of the vlog, so, successful, I guess.